Hello, my name's Bob Willis and welcome to Defect of the Month. Now this month I'd like to talk about bubbles in conformal coating. And it's been a problem for many years, but you've got to think about, is it really a problem? And a certain level of small micro bubbles in a conformal coating isn't necessarily going to cause you an issue. However, we want to try and eliminate the possibility of them occurring to reduce the possibility of them having an impact. If you have very large bubbles, it is feasible that corrosion products could actually connect from one termination to another termination, or a track to another track on a printed circuit board. But if you've got bubbles just on the surface of a board, underneath the coating, on the surface of the solder mask, for instance, in a non-electronic connection point on the board, then is it really going to be an issue? Well, very debatable. I personally think no. But the route to improving the process is to eliminate the formation of bubbles in a conformal coating. So the bubbles can form where you're applying too fast coating to the printed circuit board. You're putting too much coating onto the board without the time for evaporation of any solvent that is present. But it's also, we can get bubbles through outgassing from solder mask, as an example. I've certainly seen this. And other contaminants which are present can form or allow bubbles to form as part of the process of coating and curing. We can also see bubbles that can form from air trapped underneath components. So if you've got a curing operation and you've got a coating which is too thick over a component and you've got air trapped, then you can actually see volatile materials coming out. So it's understanding what is causing the bubbles to form, and again this requires you to observe. So wherever you can, try and coat a board and then examine it while it's starting to dry or to cure, and try and perhaps simulate the curing operation so you can actually watch what's happening. I've said many times, being able to watch what's happening allows you to find the root cause very simply. Now, in terms of other defects associated with conformal coating, as well as bubbles, we have a defect guide, which if you'd like a copy of, all you need to do is contact us.